Hello you guys, welcome to Garden Believers. So today I'm going to talk about hanging plants. Hanging plants, yes, how to make hanging plants. Alright, so today I'm going to show you step by step how I going to make my hanging plant for the area right behind me. You'll see in a second. And all you would need is a hanging hook, one of these. Decide which style of hanging. It could be a hanging basket, hanging bed, but I love the way this looks. So I actually got this on Amazon, and I'll put it in the description, the one I got as well. And a pot. This pot, it does have drainage, but I have the plug in here. See, the plug is sealed, so water can't come out. And I'm gonna use it as a reservoir. So when I do water, it won't leak down. And I'm gonna use this previous pot I have from Proven Winners that has the good drainage holes in it. All right, so let's get started. So the first thing is to have good potting soil. I have all natural potting soil, and this one is an organic plus by Catalog Garden. Family owned, operated. I actually love this product. This one actually has just for the indoor. You know, they got the indoor potting soil and the outdoor potting soil. This one moisture holding and ideal for planting indoors, and it says it is a great for seed starting as well. All right, so this is what I'm going to use right now. I'm not getting paid for this. This is a brand I use. I love it. They actually sell this at the Home Depot store. Lowe's don't have this particular brand, but I do like it because it is organic. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and put some soil in here. And what I'm going to use is some cuttings I had that have roots from my pothos. So the roots are clean. I did a video previously on how to plant pothos and laka. So I'm gonna go show you guys how I'm gonna plant this hanging basket. I'm gonna do the regular soil for this one. All right, so you see the roots are pretty good. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and position. And I want it to be kind of full, so I'm gonna put all these in here. You know, we know that pothos grow pretty fast. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these in here. I have so many varieties of pothos. One day I'll do a tour on different ones I have. But you know, plants are so good in your home. It provides oxygen. It just brings a beautiful look to your home with the greenery. I just love them. Like I said, I call them my family members. I ease one out, like women buy shoes and purses, hide them in the truck. I hide plants. I really do. I hide them and I act like they've been there before. So my husband's like, I know you did not get another plant. And especially when you go to do, you can get great deals on plants. Because I know plants can be very expensive. You see so many people actually buy like $10,000 plants on, you know, those ones that they don't sell at the box stores. But I definitely go to Lowe's, different stores, and of course Lowe's always have clearance plants, and I would just go crazy. And people just because one have a spot on them. Now I was a little frustrated because Home Depot, where mine in my area, does not sell clearance plants. Even if it had a spot on it, they will put it in a hole. They say they put it in a hole. They don't put it in the dumpster. Some hole they put it in, and they do not sell those plants just from one little brown spot. I was like hurt. My heart was hurting so bad. But what I did get out of the deal, they were throwing away some of the baskets. I was like, hey, can I just have the baskets since, you know, you throwing away anyway. But they don't own their plants. They have a contract with the plant company, so they throw them in a hole. Lowe's own their plants, so they're able to discount it and get every penny for their products, which is awesome. And this helps us people who wants to have that luxury of these things in our home. We can't afford it, but you can, you know, especially if I go in there and it's half off of a $35 plan, and then plus I get my military discount. So that's a plus for me. So I'm saving. So I'm actually, instead of me buying like a plant for $100 or two plants for $100, I'm getting like 7 plants for that price, which is awesome. All right, so let's get back to planting. So I got my, I'm positioning my plant the way I want it. And I'm gonna go ahead and add some more soil in there. Excuse me for using my hand. I love the way soil feels in my hand. So I'm just gonna dump that in here. And I'm gonna let the camera let you guys see in a second. All right. I'm gonna give it a little shape around. But so I don't like. Let's see. Maybe the position is a little better. All right, so it does look like a little leggy, but it's gonna grow healthy like it always done, like all my other plants. My other pothos are doing really well, but this is how it looks. And I'm just gonna water it down. And then when I water it, let's see if I have some water. Yeah, I have it. I'll water it here. I use a lot of, I know everybody said, what is that? I use a lot of spring or distilled water. I have a filter, so I use a lot of filter water just because sometimes our tap water has a lot of salt in it. It's not necessarily good, and sometimes plants don't like that. So I use, something's at the bottom here. I use spring water or filter water or whatever. And then if you do use your tap water, I would just say, you know, test it out with your pH. I don't have time for all that. Got a lot going on. But all right, so I have that here. We got it here, right? This one, it looks like a little taller. I might find another container. I have to go to my greenhouse and see if I have some smaller containers. So just you won't see this hanging over the thing. I think it's a little tacky. All right, but anyway, so I'm gonna get this here. You know what? Yeah, I'm gonna get this here. It was so easy the first time, I guess, because I know you guys are watching. Boom, 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 boom. And yes, I like to sing when I plant. I like to sing. Even if I don't know how to sing, I like to sing to my plants, talk to my plants, all that good stuff. My friend had called me and told me that Lowe's had a ZZ plant on sale up there, so I might be going up there today and pick that up. Theirs is so easy to maintain. You really don't have to do much with those plants, and I definitely want one, another one I should say. I gave one away because I love seniors, so my godmother loves plants as well, so I gave her one. I definitely want to go get my other ZZ plant back. All right, so see how it looks? That's how it looks. All right, so we are going to go, I'm gonna turn the camera around, and I'm gonna go ahead and put this hook on and then hang it and let you guys see how that looks. I need to get another one of these. I think I have one somewhere around the house, but I'm just gonna show you guys the one, and I'm gonna put one on each side of this rail here. So let me turn the camera around and back it up. Well, uh-oh, I don't wanna do that. Uh-oh. All right, so I went ahead and put the hook up there. It already had a little hole, so you know you could drill a hole in there, but I already had the hole there, so that's why it looked like it was so simple for me just to put that in there. So you want to make sure that you have an area where it's wood or studs, because if you have sheetrock, it will fall. It will. Like I actually did try to put one in my ceiling in my family room over here, and it went straight through. And I was like, nope, the plant cannot hold here. So you got to make sure. I do have a laser stud to kind of find my stud area. So if I want to hang it in different areas of our houses, that would happen. All right, so let's go ahead and hang up our plants. Isn't it cute? And you know what? Guess what? I actually got this container on clearance at Lowe's for, I believe it was $2.49 or something. $2.49. Basically, I'm gonna say $3. I'm gonna run off to say $3. But that I actually got two. I don't know why I didn't get all four. That didn't make no sense. I have four left, and I only got the two. All right, so I'm gonna go here, and let me let you guys see closer how nice that looks. All right, so look how nice that looks, right? It is so cute. So you want to make sure, because this is like leaning, so I'm gonna actually get another, like I said, I don't want this showing, put something else inside here. But once the plants start growing, you won't even see that anyway. So yes, so I'm gonna put one on each side, and hang it. Let me go ahead and get that done. All right, so now I'm going to do my other hook for the other side. I didn't drill the hole on that side, so I'm gonna let you guys go ahead and see me do that one. All right. Need to wear safety glasses because that stuff is flying everywhere. Just one moment. All right, so I'm wearing my safety glasses. Test it out to see. Nope, that's not it. That is working. Yeah, I got the stud up. I got the hook up, I should say. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and hang this one up. So I'm gonna let you guys see it closer. Let's see. All right, don't they look nice? Let's stand back a little bit. Aren't they sweet? Yes. So it's that simple. Um, Go ahead and I actually got the shorter version because you know they sell the longer. Um, I gotta get the proper name for those. Um, so these are the natural macrame knitting cotton hangers, and they are 20-inch. So I wanted the shorter ones just because since this frame of mine walk area to the family room is um, pretty low, I didn't want somebody hitting the head or my grandkids pulling it down or whatever. So yeah, so those look nice. And then I got the black hooks just because if you see in my kitchen dining area, I have a lot of black light fixture, including in my family room. I have that black light fixture up there. So I wanted everything, and then of course my black fireplace. So I kind of wanted to go in sync with those. And then I wanted to show you guys another hanging plant that I actually have over there. I'm gonna get another hook to go on this side so it can match on each side, but here we go. Okay, this one is super heavy. So I have this one like on a chain one. Pot. This pot I actually got at Home Depot for $9.99. So if you see how heavy it is, I can't even lift it up for you guys. Wait, let me set it up here. All right, yeah, so this is super heavy. So you got to make sure you have something strong to put it on. But yes, it's the pothos are growing pretty long. But yeah. Oh, how pretty, huh? But yeah, so this one is going to last pretty long. But yeah, I have it on a chain. So different type of, I'm going to put it on this table. Different type of pots that you could get for your hanging table look. But yeah, so thank you guys for joining me on my hanging pots. And don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. So this week is going to be all about my house plants. All right, stay tuned to the next video. Have a great day. Bye-bye.